Hi guys, this is Reina with nonbiasedreviews.com. Today we are reviewing the Bowery mattress. This mattress comes from Brooklyn Bedding. It is an all-foam mattress. We know that they used to carry the best mattress ever. That used to be an all-foam, but now they have replaced it and it's a hybrid mattress. That's something we will be talking about later on. But this is their new all foam, like I said. It's a 10 inches. This mattress is made of 3 different layers of foam. We will be talking about them layer by layer later on. But first of all, let's talk about the cover. The construction of the mattress is very important to us, of course. First of all, the cover. The cover, as you can see, is made of cotton knitted fabric. It's very smooth and soft to the touch. As you will notice, as I pull on it, it is stretchy, but then it snaps right back on, which is a very good sign. It prevents this type of bunching that I'm not a big fan of. So as you can see also that this mattress is sitting on my adjustable bed and it's doing well so far. You will see the 3 different positions that I have used as I was laying on this mattress on the adjustable bed. So the cover itself does a very good job putting or keeping this mattress all together. It doesn't have a zipper, but we're going to be able to show you what's inside this mattress. Inside this mattress, there's 3 different layers. Right under this cover is the first layer, or the top layer. It's Energix foam. You want to push down, and you will notice the quick response, which is something we are expecting from a exceptional, if you want, type of foam and mattress. This mattress is not like the traditional foam feel mattress where you have the sinking or you're stuck inside the mattress. That's why the Energix here does a very good job bouncing you back up. The Energix as well does a great job trying to keep the heat away. So cooling is a very major factor, and you can enjoy sleeping on the Bowery thanks to that layer together with all the other layers. So that was the Energix, the first or top layer of the Bowery mattress. It's firmer than the Energix layer, which is the top layer, and it's made of polyfoam. So we have Energix and polyfoam acting together with the third layer, which is the base or the foundation. It's a 5-inch foam layer. This is where everything happens. So this layer is very sturdy. Okay, so let's talk about the 3 positions or sleep positions. Now I do sleep on my side and my back. I surprisingly have found myself sleeping comfortably on my back. I'm saying surprisingly because this mattress doesn't tend to be on the firm side. It's more on the medium soft side than the firm side. But it feels really comfortable. Now, if you're a side sleeper like I am, I'm a back and side sleeper. I tend to switch between positions. It also feels good. As you can see, your hips, your shoulder are they're sitting comfortably if you want on this mattress. They're not sinking too much. And this is why it's not like the traditional foam mattress. Another type or a different type of foam mattress, traditional one, would let you just have this stuck in the mattress feeling, which is something we try to avoid. Now, stomach sleeper. Stomach sleepers tend also to find or to look for a mattress that is on the firmer side. I would suggest actually stomach sleepers to, if they want to stay in the Brooklyn bedding area, to check out our review on the new best mattress ever, which is the hybrid mattress from Brooklyn Bedding, because it tends to be firmer and it is a hybrid mattress, like I said, which means it has coils in it. But this one, I recommend the Bowery for back sleepers. It's super comfortable on my back. And side sleepers, keep in mind that people come in different body shapes and sizes and types. So this is why it's very important that you investigate and learn more about your mattress before you purchase it. Now, if you have any comments or you need help trying to figure out what mattress is good for you, which one is good for you, just leave me a comment, tell me what type of sleeper you are, and we can answer your questions. I'm always there to answer them. So that was the Bowery review from Brooklyn Bedding. Brooklyn Bedding, as we all know, is manufactured in America. All their bed products are made here in the USA. You get to try their mattress, the Bowery, for 120 nights risk-free trial. They also offer free shipping and returns. That's what the Brooklyn Bedding or Bowery has to offer for you if you would like to take advantage of it. I would say that our experience, our sleep experience, was great on the Bowery. Thank you for watching this review. I hope you like it. Don't forget to click on the link below for exceptional offers coming from nonbiasedreviews.com, and we'll see you next time.